I do voice impressions. Say, you want to come inside my clubhouse?
Say, you want to come inside my clubhouse?
I do voice impressions. Yes. Are you going to finish that croissant?
Yes. Are you going to finish that croissant?
I do voice impressions. That was almost exactly like my freshman year in college.
That was almost exactly like my freshman year in college.
I do voice impressions. Oh, what the heck? I'll laugh anyway.
No, what the heck, I'll laugh anyway.